County in northwestern North Carolina, Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, south central Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Martinsville in south central Virginia, western Henry County, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moxville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Mount Airy, Flat Rock, Yadkinville, and Milton. This includes the following location: Martinsville Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a